In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate a website using the WP Engine Automated Migration Tool, a process crucial for anyone looking to transfer their WordPress site smoothly and efficiently. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to log into the WordPress dashboard of the site you plan to migrate. This is your control hub where you'll manage and oversee your migration process. Once you're logged in, navigate directly to Plugins and then select Add New. Here, you'll gain access to WordPress's vast library of plugins, which will help us with our next steps. In the plugin search bar, type WP Engine Automated Migration. This tool is specially designed to handle all the nuances of migrating WordPress sites, ensuring a smooth transition without loss of data or functionality. Once the plugin appears, click on Install Now. After it's installed, be sure to activate it, making it ready for use in our migration process. Now, with the WP Engine Migration Tool active, go back to the Plugin section in your dashboard. Locate the WP Engine Automated Migration Tool and launch the Migration Wizard. This wizard will guide you through the process with helpful prompts and fields. At this stage, it's important to have your WP Engine SFTP credentials ready. Enter these credentials into the specified fields when prompted. The credentials typically include your username and password, along with the destination folder from your WP Engine dashboard. These details allow the migration tool to access and transfer your site files securely. Once you've entered all required information, simply click on Migrate to initiate the migration process. The steps you've completed have set the stage for a smooth transfer to your WP Engine hosting environment. Keep an eye on your screen as progress updates will display in real time, providing reassurance that everything is moving along as it should. The migration duration can vary depending on the size of your site and the speed of your internet connection. You'll want to ensure a stable connection throughout this process to avoid any interruptions. Once the migration is complete, take a moment to navigate your WP Engine dashboard. Look for the domain section under Site and preview your newly migrated site to ensure everything appears as expected. Lastly, although optional, updating your DNS records to point your domain to WP Engine is essential if you're aiming to take your site live. This change will direct traffic from your domain registrar to your new hosting platform, activating your site's presence on the web with WP Engine. And there you have it! You've successfully migrated your WordPress site using the WP Engine Automated Migration Tool. With these straightforward steps, your website should be seamlessly integrated into your new hosting environment, ready to serve your audience. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial, and happy website managing!